Hello everyone, welcome to Healing Presence. I'm Dr. Jyotika and here are your chakra readings for the month of December 2021. You can listen to the reading of your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign or any other sign that you just feel like listening to. Please remember that these are general readings and your personal readings may be slightly different. Okay? And I'll be telling you about which major chakra you need to work on. So if you're using any healing or meditation techniques or yoga, pranayam, you can focus on that chakra this month. And I will also tell you what's happening in the subconscious mind, thoughts and emotions of each sun sign, and what you need to work on, what you need to change within yourself that will clear all the chakra blockages. And I also post healing affirmations based on these chakra readings every month in the first week of the month, and they are available on my Instagram and Facebook page. The links to that would be in the description box. Please do those readings if you're interested in clearing these blockages, right? So let's begin. And you will have the timestamps for each reading in the description box, so you can directly go to any particular reading. Let's begin first with Capricorn. Hello Capricorn, how are you friends? Friends, this month you need to work on crown chakra. And what's happening in your sign is that you're having a lot of future worries. Then the male female concept that I'm suffering because I'm a female, I'm suffering because I'm a male, something about the gender you have chosen, the gender roles. There is some conflict where it's difficult for you to accept that I'm a male or a female, right? Something on those lines is happening, and then you are blocking someone to have a bond with you. Maybe you have hurts or whatever, but you're not allowing someone to develop a bond with you. There are fear of unknown. Pata nahi kya ho jayega, right? Then you're feeling helpless. You're not speaking your truth to yourself. You're fooling yourself. नहीं मेरे को तो कोई दुख नहीं है. No, I'm not sad. No, it is not that much a problem. So tell your truth at least to yourself, because this chakra is getting blocked. Unless and until you tell yourself the truth of how you feel, what you desire, what you need, things cannot even begin to change. So please start saying your truth to yourself. Then there has been recent positive changes in the area where you used to get disturbed with when you used to behave in a rude, rough, arrogant manner. You have been working for it. There has been recent positive change in that chakra. So congratulations, keep working more. Whatever you are doing is good. Continue that. And the last thing is that you are holding back appreciation. You're not appreciating yourself. You're not appreciating others. So please freely and openly appreciate yourself and others. Okay? So this is what is happening, and if all the blockages this month will get cleared if you start appreciating yourself and others freely and easily and honestly. झूठ झूठ नहीं, सच में जो appreciate करते हो उसको बोलना शुरू करो. Right? The whole energy will change. So I hope this is helpful to you. Bye. Next we come to Aquarius. Hello Aquarius, how are you friends? So which major chakra you need to work on? There is no specific major chakra that you need to work on. What you need to work on is an alignment. You have to align your physical and spiritual worlds, the material and spiritual, and any two worlds that you feel are opposite, like work and relationships, whatever is opposite for you. But basically the material life and the spiritual life, you need to align them. Get grounded. Anywhere you are trying to not see what's actually happening on the ground, that is creating these blocks and misalignment. So just create a balance in the both worlds, right? And what's happening in your subconscious mind level? First of all, there are a few positive changes. You have started taking charge of your life and situations. You have started speaking your truth, conveying what you truly want to convey. So these are the two positive things that your reading is showing me. Another thing is the feeling that, my dreams and visions, how will they get fulfilled? Either you're not choosing to, or you feel you don't have what it takes to fulfill your dreams and visions, and basically you can't even see any way. So here the tip for you is that, think out of the box. Open up to new ideas, out of the box ways to achieve your dreams and visions. Maybe you need to look into the spiritual, metaphysical side of your life. And maybe that will give you the breakthrough and the insights you require to fulfill your dreams and visions in the present circumstances that you are in. Then there is an impact of certain curses. And you are somewhere making choices which are self-destructive. You're sabotaging your own interests. So please give a second thought to whatever you're choosing to have in life, or how you're behaving, whatever you're choosing in life. Please give it a second thought, that who is benefiting from it? Are you benefiting? If yes, what? You will find that no one is benefiting. And there are ways which are much easier and happier to achieve the targets that you want. So what else is possible? What are the infinite possibilities you have not even considered? And you're not saying your truth to yourself. What do you truly desire? Please sit with yourself and explore. What is it that, if you will get, if you will achieve, if you will be, it will just lighten up your world. That will make you so happy, truly. Please spend some time in figuring that out. Next is, you are having a lot of fears, and somewhere, I don't know, this thing you've got into yourself as if your dreams, your desires cannot be fulfilled in the present reality, the life you are living. And a part of you, the astral body, is traveling somewhere, searching where, in which world it can be fulfilled. So then you are getting, ungrounded. Choose to implement and fulfill your desires in this world itself. It is possible. Don't get affected by rude, rough, and arrogant behavior of people. People are what they are. It's not personal. They are going to behave like this with anyone. So don't take things personally. Let them be. And if you are being rude, please stop that. It's not helping you. It's blocking your chakras. Choose to deal with people with humility, kindness, and compassion. That will help you, right? And there's a lot of fear of catastrophe. अनहोनी हो जाएगी, as if you're just anticipating कि कुछ हो जाएगा बुरा. And एक ये भी डर लग रहा है that if I say something तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, अनहोनी हो जाएगी, कुछ catastrophe हो जाएगी. तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा fear में जी रहे हो. And ask yourself a question. ये जो इतना डर लग रहा है, all the fears that you are having, are they even yours? So you can ask a question. Who does this belong to? This is an Access Consciousness tool. Ask this question and see what happens. Does the energy change just by asking the question? Play with this tool. Who does this belong to? Right? And out of all this, this is the thing that is showing up in Aquarius collective energy field. But if you want to clear all these blockages, you need to come out of fears. You need to see what you truly desire and go for it. Go for your dreams and visions. Fulfill them, implement them. It is safe for you to do that. Please know that. It is safe. Okay? I hope it was helpful. Bye. Next we come to Pisces. Welcome Pisces. Friends, you need to work on crown chakra this month. And what's happening in the subconscious collective energy field of your sign? You are holding back communication. You're not able to express what you truly want to convey. Then there's a lot of subconscious resistances coming up towards anything you want to do. And which is because of certain oaths and vows, some guilt, curse, passive aggressive behavior, which is a self-sabotaging behavior. And getting into power struggles with authority figures, silently or overtly, in a self-destructive manner. Then you're feeling helpless. Although there are fears, but you have started coming out of those fears that unhoni ho jayegi, catastrophe will happen. And you started to connect with yourself and the world more. Good, keep up the good work. And also you have started utilizing all the resources available to you optimally. So very good. But what you need to work on to clear all this mess is that you need to speak your truth. First to yourself and then to the world wherever it is required. Okay? Do the affirmation and I hope it was helpful. Bye. Next we come to Aries. Aries, you friends, you need to work on crown chakra. And what's happening in the subconscious collective energy field of Aries? You are holding back communication. It's blocking your throat chakra. Please gather the courage to express your point of views, your needs, your desires, your emotions. Whatever you want to say, please say it. Then there's a lot of subconscious resistance coming up due to oaths and vows, guilt, self-destructive, passive-aggressive behavior, and like a fear of catastrophe. पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा दुनिया में, मेरे कुछ करने से, मेरे कुछ कहने से कुछ हो जाएगा. And because of all that, you're holding yourself back. You're holding back a lot of things. And that is just creating like a traffic jam within your energy system. It is creating the congestion. In fact, a blockage. Things are not flowing freely. So please let go and let the cosmic energies flow within your system. Whatever you are holding, please open your hand, loosen your grip, let it go. Let it go. All the helplessness that you're feeling and all the unknown fears, the moment you will sit down and ask yourself, what am I actually fearing here? What is my biggest fear? You will find that there is nothing. And once you face your fears, the road will be clear. The block is all in the mind. Be true to yourself. Listen to your inner voice. Don't judge it. Don't rationalize it. Just listen to it non-judgmentally. And there are certain things that you are not admitting that they were mistakes, or presently, if you know that's a mistake. Can you just take out the judgment part of it and just see that whatever you did not work or brought some result, or whatever you are doing, there is something which is a mistake, but you are resisting to admit it as a mistake. And this is creating blockage, and this will keep you stuck. So might as well just sit with yourself, accept that you admit that, yeah, that was a mistake. It didn't turn out the way I wanted to, and it created all this fuss. So that was a mistake, and then rectify it fast and move on. What did you learn from that? Instead of just refusing to admit it as a mistake, you're keeping yourself blocked. Admit it, rectify it, take the lessons, move on. Right? And you do not have to tell anyone. You just have to admit it to yourself. then what secrets are you keeping? And are you speaking cautiously? Don't be careless with your communication. Anything that comes out of your mouth, you have to be very careful and cautious. Otherwise, it's going to create problems. And then all the roles that you have chosen, all the roles in your family, within your friends and neighborhood, workplace, whatever the roles that you have chosen to play, please play them joyfully. You are capable of doing good, and probably you may be doing well, but there's a thing that I'm not playing my roles well, and that's not true. And all this is going on. If you want to clear all this emotional, mental stuff that is surfacing, what you need to do is you need to be willing to learn from the mistakes, learn from the challenges that show up in your world and grow from them. Become a more experienced person because you faced a challenge, you learned the lessons, you implemented them, and you grew from that. This is what you need to do. I hope, Aries, it was helpful. Bye. Next we come to Taurus. Welcome, Taurus. You need to work on your heart chakra, friends. There are a lot of hurts. You are blocking yourself from giving love to others and to yourself also. So generally this happens when there are hurts. So just forgive. Forgive yourself, forgive others, move on. Open your heart because it will create suffocation inside you only. We don't want that. And what's happening in the subconscious energy field of your sign? There is some guilt. It may be from previous lives, which is creating a lot of blockages in the system. Yes, there are hurts. Then communication is blocked, or you're not able to understand. You're not able to communicate what you want in a clear manner that the other person can understand, and you are not able to understand what other people are trying to say. So don't take it as a negative judgment. Just understand that communication is a big issue right now. So please work on your communication. Open up to receive different point of views. And be in allowance of different people having different point of views, and you also have the right to have your own point of view. Right? Don't force anyone's point of view on yourself or your point of view on others. That is the basis. Right? Then again, a lot of your desires are not getting fulfilled, and they will not get fulfilled straight. You will have to use diplomacy and out of the box ways. You will have to get up and take steps to fulfill them yourselves. All the help that you want in that, ask for it and you will get it. It will happen in a different way than you are thinking. So it's not that your desires cannot be fulfilled, but the path to it, the way it shows up would be different. So just don't give up. Don't lose hope. Keep doing, get it done, be a go-getter. Just leave the fears. They are all baseless. All the fears that you have, they are not actually true. It's just the mind creating unnecessary junk in your mind. It's just clouding your mind, and you are not having clarity with things. Then there is a feeling of helplessness. You are not liking and appreciating yourself. So don't judge yourself so harshly. Appreciate all the good you have. Accept all the weaknesses that you have. There's no one who doesn't have any weaknesses. So why are you judging for yourself for it? Accept yourself exactly as you are, and you can work on any area of your life that you need to improve, but not with judgment, not by making yourself wrong. Okay? Next is be brutally honest with yourself, friends. Okay? About everything. अपने से तो सच बोलो. कौन सुन रहा है? आप तो सुन रहे हो. खुद से सच बोलो. Then don't keep waiting that one day something will happen. And even if you're waiting for something, be cheerful. So it's like, remain cheerful, and allow the universe to fulfill all my desires in miraculous ways. That should be the approach during the wait, right? So be in a positive energy till the universe brings that to you. Ask and remain open to receive, right? Then there is some abuse pattern going on, maybe since previous lifetimes, where you've been abusing yourself, you've been abusing others, whether you know it or not. And then somewhere you're not learning your lessons. What is it, in which all those challenges, if you just learn your lessons and apply them, you'll just grow. But somewhere you're choosing the path of suffering, struggles, delays, just because you are not looking at what is my lesson from this and putting your time and efforts in changing that within you. लाइफ आपसे क्या बदलाव मांग रही है? क्या आप बदल रहे हो? That's the big question. But यहाँ ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप स्ट्रगल्स, पेन, सफरिंग वाला पाथ चुन लिया है आपने. आप लेसन्स नहीं लर्न कर रहे हो और उससे फिर अटका हुआ एक जगह. So just choose to learn and grow from challenges, and basically you will require some professional help to come out from the abuse pattern that you have got stuck in, where you are allowing abuse and you are doing abuse to others. Okay, please do your affirmation and let me know how it was for you. Bye. Next we come to Gemini. Welcome, Geminis. Friends, you need to work on your crown chakra. And what's happening in the collective subconscious mind of your sign? That first of all, a lot of your hurts are healing. Your heart is healing. You are now operating from your wisdom. You are valuing your own wisdom. Please continue doing this. Please utilize all the resources that are available to you to their optimum level. Okay? Have faith. Let go of any helplessness. It is not true. Ask for help. First help yourself. Ask for help from people who can help you. Make choices that benefit you and everyone. Choose the middle path. Win-win situations. And if there is a lot of chaos or a lot of order in your world, don't stop yourself because of that. Choose to outcreate yourself, grow from that environment only. Like a lotus just flowers from muck. So just bloom in that environment. Outgrow it. Learn from your lessons. In a playful, light-hearted manner. Don't make things serious. Learn and grow in a playful, light-hearted manner. Okay? And all the best. I hope this information is helpful. Please do the affirmation for this month and it will open your chakras. You'll feel better. Bye. Next, we come to Cancerians. Welcome, Cancerians. How are you all, friends? Friends, you need to work on your throat chakra. The communication is absolutely blocked. Neither are you able to understand what other people want to convey to you. Neither are you communicating your thing. The throat chakra is absolutely blocked. And one good thing is that your third eye chakra is very good. It's with a lot of energy. So probably it feels, जैसे कहते हैं ना, मैं चुप हो गया हूँ, बस मैं अपने सपनों पे काम कर रहा हूँ. बट अगर कम्युनिकेशन ही ब्लॉक हो जाएगी तो सक्सेस कैसे मिलेगी? You require a good throat chakra for success in your endeavors. So please open up for communication. Right? And what all is going on at the subconscious mind level in your sign is you have become ungrounded. Somewhere you don't want to look at the ground reality. So see, if you try to run away and escape from what is on the ground, you will live in a fantasy world. Because if there are challenges in the ground reality, there are support system also. There are certain beautiful things also. You're missing all that. So it's a little of ungroundedness and not wanting to look at what is. And then you are not taking charge of your life. So whatever you want in life, what are you doing to get that? That you need, which is called taking charge. Take charge. Ensure whatever you want. It feels a lot of hurts. You've just blocked. You're neither receiving love, neither you're giving love, neither you're receiving communication, neither you are expressing yourself. You don't want to take up responsibility, or maybe, something about responsibility. Maybe you're taking on other people's responsibility, or you're not even taking what is yours. Something around responsibility is a blockage. You're holding back a lot of things. What are you holding back? The truth? What? And there are a lot of fears. Unknown. Pata nahi kya ho jayega. Please face your fears. Love and accept yourself exactly as you are. That's the first step to success. See where you are right now. You may want to go at heights. Fine, great. Don't just give up your dreams and vision just because you find yourself very low or far away from the target. It's not that. You need to aim for something. Then honestly see where you are. And then take steps. One step at a time, one step at a time. Keep moving towards your desired goal. Don't give up. Don't judge yourself. Don't sit like this as if you've blocked everything. How will you live like that? And it's like, just say, in the outer world, challenges come. Why? They want you to grow. For example, if you have challenges in payments, issues come in payments, then you can choose online payments. If you have trust issues, you have betrayal history, then you can have a proper contract with the people you are working in. So the challenges that come in life, they want you to practically change the approach you are having. Here it feels that, somewhere you're not willing to change. You're not willing to have a different approach. You're not being honest with yourself. You're not valuing your own inner wisdom. And whatever people expect of you, you just shut out. Basically, इस वक्त एक energy ऐसी है that shut out हो गए. सब बंद. ऐसे तो नहीं चल सकते. और ये सारा खोलने के लिए, ये सब कुछ जो हो रहा है, ये जो चार्ज उठ के आ रहा है आपके अंदर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, अंतः मन में जो ये बात चल रही है, ये सब चीज उठ के आ रही है, ब्लॉकेजेस, इसको क्लियर करने के लिए ये है, बी विलिंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम एवरी ब्लॉक और एवरी चैलेंज दैट कम्स. जैसे आपको चलना आता है, आप चलना नहीं चाह रहे थे, बड़ी हिम्मत करके आपने चलना शुरू किया और स्पीड ब्रेकर आ गया, तो अब रुक मत जाओ और बंदी में सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के अब तो मैं ना कुछ नहीं करूंगा, ऐसे नहीं. लर्न टू जंप. So that's how you will learn something new. You will develop new abilities, right? So what if, you're willing to learn the lessons life is trying to teach you? It's a win-win situation. Not only will you be successful, but you'll grow in your capacities and abilities. Okay? Do the affirmations, please. It will open all these chakra blockages and you will definitely feel better. Best wishes, open for communication. Okay? I hope the information will help you in some way. Bye. Next we come to Leos. Welcome, Leos. You need to work on your third eye, friends. What are your dreams and visions? What is your planning to achieve those on that, right? Insights, getting insights. Sit with yourself. The answers will come from within. Connect with your guru if you have one. You don't have to be physically present. You can just sit down and connect with the universal energy. And that energetic world, the metaphysical world, will just drop those answers and ideas to you. Try it. And what's happening in the subconscious level, thoughts, feelings, emotions, there's a lot of ungrounding. Ungrounding हो रही है. You're not seeing things as they are. Somewhere a little escapist attitude. Maybe you're not an escapist, but where? Please search. Look finely. In what area? From what am I trying to escape? Because that is making you ungrounded. Okay? And you're not communicating properly. Whatever you are expressing, please see what you can change in that so that people get your point. And don't be self-destructive. Don't pick up fights and power struggles with authority figures. Please don't do that. Have faith. Even if it is taking time for your dreams and visions to get fulfilled, don't give up on your dreams and visions. Be cheerful in the journey of fulfilling your dreams and visions. Please open up to receive and give appreciation freely and joyfully. And this main core is around fulfilling your dreams and visions, where you're thinking there is no way it can be done. Then you're losing faith, you're feeling it's taking so much time. Abhi tak nahi hua to ab kaise hoga? Something is going on that grounds. But the key to this is that look at what all resources are available to you. This reading is showing me you're not looking at all the resources you have. And also, even if you look, you are not optimally utilizing. So you need to do this. You need to look what are the resources that can contribute to me and how can I utilize each resource to its best level to achieve what I want to achieve. This you do and all these chakras will open. Please use the affirmation for this month and these blockages will clear. You will definitely get a breakthrough. All the best. I hope this information is helpful. Bye. Next we come to Virgos. Virgos, you need to work on your crown chakra, friends. And what's going on in your subconscious mind, the collective Virgos? Again, something about dreams and visions. Virgos, this has been happening a lot. So many months. Virgos, आपने क्यों छोड़ दिए वो सपने अपने? आप क्यों नहीं देख रहे हो? आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहे हो अपने सपनों से. ऐसे नहीं करो. पहले कुछ हुआ था. ऐसा लग रहा है something in the past which was very devastating. And somewhere that destruction and devastation that happened in your world, अब जैसे मन ही नहीं है कुछ करने का. तो अपने को संभालो Virgos. Please tell yourself that you survived that period. You are alive. And look around your life today. Although that devastation happened, but you're good today. Your world is fine. Remind yourself of that because a part of you is stuck in that only. Then you don't feel like doing anything. You're just disconnected with everyone or everything. And there was some impact of curses and some self-destructive behavior, some unknown fears, maybe from other dimensions and realities. Things could be there. And all this that happened, it just shook your faith very deeply. And maybe, maybe you always operated from your wisdom, that inner wisdom. and that even just shook you so much that you are, beating yourself up for maybe being kind and all the good things that you did. Friends, don't do that. वो कहते हैं ना, वो गाना है, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। मतलब यहां तो भगवानों को भी नहीं छोड़ा ना, सीता भी यहां बदनाम हुई। किसको छोड़ा इन्होंने? कोई ऐसी बात है जो आपके मन में लग गई, किसी ने कही तो, और तभी आप बस बंद हो गए, आपने छोड़ दी चीजें। ऐसा कहाँ हुआ है? ये चीज हो सकता है पास्ट की हो और आज आपने उसको डंप करके आप आगे बढ़ चुके हो, लेकिन ये एनर्जी इस वक्त जो आपकी राशि में दिख रही है वो बता रही है ये ऊपर आ रही है क्लियर होने के लिए। तो ओपन अप टू द वर्ल्ड एंड चैलेंजेस आते हैं। और जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ होती है ना, जब लोगों को कुछ और नहीं मिलता है ना, तो वो उसी पे हिट करते हैं। अगर आप बहुत ऑनेस्ट हो तो बोलेंगे आप डिसऑनेस्ट हो। आप देशभक्त हो, आपको बोलेंगे कि आप देशद्रोही हो, आपने धोखा किया देश के साथ। आपने इतना सेल्फलेसली किसी के लिए किया तो आपको कहेंगे तुमने हमारा फायदा उठाया। तो ये लोग होते हैं, ये ऐसे बोलते हैं, माना बातें लग जाती हैं और वो बिल्कुल तबाही मचा देती हैं अपने अंदर। मगर जो लोग इस तरह से बोलते हैं उनकी बात, ये उनका लेवल है। आप अपने को संभालो, आप सरवाइव कर रहे हो, कर गए हो और हमेशा करोगे, ठीक है ना? वर्गोस तो होते हैं इतने प्रिम प्रॉपर, सही तरीके से चलने वाले, लाइफ में सच पे चलने वाले, तो लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो ही सकती है ना, जाने दो, ठीक है? एफर्मेशन इस मंथ की जरूर करो, इट विल हेल्प यू टू कम आउट फ्रॉम दैट इवेंट मेमोरी। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट, लव यू ऑल, बाय। नेक्स्ट वी कम टू लिब्रा। लिब्रा, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर थर्ड आई। बट फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों ने तो कमाल कर दिया, 2 चक्र आए आपके सिर्फ, ठीक है? और ये जो थर्ड आई पे भी आपको काम करना है, ज्यादा बड़ा ब्लॉक नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत ही बस सप्रेशन टाइप कुछ है, ठीक है? जितना वो चलना चाहिए उतना ना, कि वो थोड़ा सप्रेस चल रहा है, ठीक है? तो थर्ड आई पे आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो आप करते रहो, इसको और खोलना है, किसी भी मेथड से खोलिए आप। एंड जो अंदर आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, थॉट्स, इमोशंस में जो चल रहा है, छोटी सी बातें, कुछ ऐसे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं जो लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आपके चल रहे हैं, आपको कंफ्यूजन क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा है आपको, तो आपको ये नहीं समझ आ पा रहा कि क्या सच है, क्या झूठ है, क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, तो क्या मानूं मैं, सच क्या है, उसकी क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल पा रही आपको, सिचुएशन में क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल पा रही, और आपको एक्शन में भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए। कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, ये करूं क्या ये करूं, ऐसे करूं कि वैसे करूं, अभी करूं कि कब करूं, तो कुछ अनरिजॉल्व्ड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स रह रहे हैं, और एक जैसे कहते हैं ना, सर उठा के नहीं चल पा रहे। ऐसी क्या बात है जिससे आपको लग रहा है कि मेरा सर झुक रहा है? और कुछ या तो लाइफ में टर्बुलेंस चल रही है और क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल रही है, या रैपिड शिफ्ट्स आ रहे हैं लाइफ में, तो आप अपने को संभाल नहीं पा रहे हो। लेकिन इस वक्त बहुत बैलेंस रहने की जरूरत है। जो सोच रहे हो, थिंकिंग में बैलेंस रखो, किसी एक्सट्रीम्स में मत जाओ, मिडिल पाथ कहते हैं ना, मिडिल पाथ चुनो। इमोशंस भी एक्सट्रीम में मत जाने दो इमोशंस को इस वक्त। जो एक्शंस हैं वो भी मॉडरेशन में करो, मुंह से जो बोलो शब्द बैलेंस्ड वे में निकले, ये करने की जरूरत है आपको। एफर्मेशन करो एंड डेफिनेटली इसमें आपको मदद मिलेगी, ठीक है? आई होप इट वॉज हेल्पफुल, बाय। नेक्स्ट वी कम टू स्कॉर्पियोस। वेलकम स्कॉर्पियोस। फ्रेंड्स, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर थर्ड आई। इट्स नॉट मच ऑफ अ ब्लॉकेज, थोड़ा बहुत सप्रेशन है चक्रा का, थोड़ा सा आप थर्ड आई पे और किसी भी तरीके से काम करिए, ओम चैंटिंग कर लीजिए, या यहाँ ध्यान रखिए थोड़ी देर, ब्रेथ को यहाँ ले जा सकते हैं ऊपर नीचे, गुरु से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो मेनी वेज, कोई भी आप टेक्निक से थर्ड आई पे काम करिए। एंड जो आपकी राशि के कलेक्टिव मन में हो रहा है वो मैं बता देती हूँ कि एक तो आप अपने से सच नहीं बोल रहे हो। आपका क्या मन है, आपकी डिजायर्स क्या हैं, आपकी नीड्स क्या हैं, आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज क्या हैं, आप क्या चाहते हो अपने से, दुनिया से, रिश्तों से, काम से। प्लीज टेक आउट टाइम एंड सिट विथ योर सेल्फ एंड बी ऑनेस्ट विथ योर सेल्फ एंड एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ। आप अपने को बहुत नीचे ले आ रहे हो। ज्यादा बड़ा ब्लॉक नहीं है ये, लेकिन जस्ट लव एंड अप्रिशिएट योर सेल्फ एग्जैक्टली एज यू आर। चंद्रमा में भी तो दाग है, ब्यूटीफुल लगता है ना वो। तो अपने को कोसो मत, डोंट पुट योर सेल्फ डाउन, accept yourself as you are, and you can work on your weaknesses or any areas of your life, your body, relationships, whatever you need to work on, improve it. If you keep on working on that, you will get better and better. But if you judge yourself, criticize yourself, if you put yourself down, how will you improve? And if you are going to put yourself down, the world is waiting on you. Nobody is going to, help you out on that. तो अपने को बुरा नहीं बोलो, डोंट अब्यूज योर सेल्फ, एंड प्लीज डोंट अब्यूज अदर्स इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट. एंड रिसेंटली your some dreams and visions, you are seeing that something has started, that something is opening up towards fulfillment of your dreams and visions. So congratulations for that. And all this subconscious mess that is showing up, to clear that you have to ऑपरेट फ्रॉम योर ट्रूथ. जो आपके लिए सच है उसी रास्ते चलो. ठीक है? आई होप दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज हेल्पफुल टू यू. बाय. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू Sagittarius. वेलकम Sagittarius. फ्रेंड्स, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर थर्ड आई चक्रा. क्या सपने हैं? अपने से बोलो तो सही. एंड देन प्लान फॉर इट. हाउ कैन यू फुलफिल योर ड्रीम्स एंड विजन? कुछ प्लान तो बनाओ. ऐसे मत सोच लो कि हो ही नहीं सकता. ठीक है? एंड देन टेक चार्ज. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू अचीव, मेक डू प्लानिंग फॉर इट. टेक चार्ज. यू टेक एक्शन टूवर्ड्स फुलफिलिंग दोज ड्रीम्स एंड विजन्स. वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. छोटा छोटा बेबी स्टेप्स, बट टेक दो स्टेप्स डेली. And whatever has hurt you and whatever has caused you to just block your heart, you've built certain walls. Please open up to receive love. And most of the hurts that happen, I've told many times, I would like to repeat that when there are a lot of hurts, there are communication issues. The people who love each other the most, and communication is not there, the hurt is very deep. And then people build up walls. They become defensive. They stop giving love to others. They stop receiving love. All based on misperceptions. Communication is the key. Although your communication chakra has not come up in this month reading, but so much of hurt and just blocking love in your life, if we go deeper into it, there would be certain communication issues. But open your heart. Open up to receive love unconditionally. Open up to give love unconditionally. Because the nature of love is such. It is unconditional. If you have ever experienced true love, it is always unconditional. Okay? So, love and appreciate yourself, accept yourself exactly as you are. Whatever you did, whatever you did not do, please accept yourself, forgive yourself, open your heart to give and receive love. See what your dreams and visions are. Make a plan to move towards that, and then take step every day towards that. Please handle your responsibilities well. Don't overburden yourself with that, and don't take on other people's responsibility, and have a plan for fulfilling your responsibilities with ease. Don't hold back negativity, toxins, and whatever you are holding back. Are you holding back forgiveness or your love? It is just creating a traffic jam in your energy system. So please open up. Somewhere you've blocked your ears, not listening to the world, not listening to your inner voice. And one good thing is a positive movement is coming in your chakra is of the left earlobe, which tells that you have started admitting your mistakes to yourself. Very, very good. It's a very brave thing to do. So good. So it's like you are humbly admitting your mistakes with yourself and rectifying it. Very good. Please continue doing that work. And the key to clearing all this garbage, emotional, mental garbage that is surfacing in your sign is to listen to your inner voice. At least listen to what your inner voice is saying. Even if today you can't see that happening. If your inner voice is saying, ask for forgiveness from this person, apologize to this person, or go and, float a new company, or revive an old company, or meet up with a friend, someone you had a breakup with, and you're carrying the guilt. So at least listen to your inner voice, what it's saying. You may not act on it right now, but at least listen, because otherwise the chakras are blocked. What is your soul guiding you? Listen to that non-judgmentally. Don't put logic into it. As you open, whether you do that thing or not, whether you act on it, on your inner voice or not, that's a separate step. But first step is listen to your inner voice without judging, without putting any logic on it. If you do that, all your chakra blockages will open. Please do the affirmation for this month, and it will help you have ease with things in life, especially ease with yourself. I hope this information helps you in some way. Bye. Now, friends, here is the collective message, and I hope this is the last reading. I may not be continuing it in the next year. Let's see what happens, but for now, this is the last chakra reading I'm posting. So, the collective message as seen by the chakra condition of all signs, one thing is very clear, that humanity is ascending. The human consciousness is rising. So how will you connect and how will you make that growth is through the crown. You connect with your crown and you keep rising. Oneness. No blaming, nothing. Connecting with your deepest core. At the same time, connected with the world. And raising your consciousness. Raising your vibration. That is happening because since so many months, you have to work on your crown chakra, or the third eye chakra. Because these two, the upper chakras, need to be cleaned, opened, and stay more here. Access, because in these times of uncertainties and a lot of garbage happening, if divine wants to help you, where are you going to receive? Your radars should be active to receive the guidance, which is coming from higher universes. So your crown should be ready to receive the blessings and all the guidance that is being showered on humanity as they are taking this journey of ascension. And the key point that humans are getting stuck with is the fifth chakra, and which is about your own truth. It is about many things, but what is sticking with people is being honest with themselves and operating from your truth. Because see, everyone is having a face, a false facade, an image they have to put forward and live by it. So we've gone too far. On social media, you have to tell how much you're happy, how successful you are, and all that stuff. And then once you've put that, you have to live by it. And the truth is something else. So this is one thing. If you are not being true to yourself, if you're not being honest with yourself, if you don't make choices based on your truth, challenges and blockages and suffering would come. Why? Not to punish you, but just to redirect you. Like a small child, वो घुटनों चल के जा रहा है ना, और वहां पे आग है या हीटर रखा है, तो आप क्या करोगे? उसको वहां पे अपना पैर रख दोगे या कुछ तकिया रख दोगे कि आप उसको वहां जाने नहीं दोगे? वो कहेगा नहीं नहीं मुझे तो वहीं जाना है, वो कितनी लाइट है उसमें हाथ डालना है, तो आप तो नहीं डालने दोगे ना बच्चे को। तो आप परमपिता परमेश्वर कैसे आपको गलत जगह जाने देगा? जो आपका सच नहीं है, आप वो चॉइसेस मेक करना चाह रहे हो, तो अब गॉड नहीं करने देगा ये। तो आप इधर जाओगे, वो रोकेगा, आप रोगे। तो अगर पेन एंड सफरिंग आ रही है, स्ट्रगल्स आ रहे हैं, प्लीज चेक, आर यू ऑन द रॉन्ग रूट? इज दिस व्हाट यू ट्रूली डिजायर? आपको इधर ही जाना है क्या? प्रोबेबली नहीं, लेकिन आपको डायरेक्शन चेंज करने में दिक्कत हो रही है। अगर आप अपनी वाइब्रेशन बढ़ाओगे, क्राउन चक्रा पे स्थित रहोगे, तो आप ये अपने आप नेविगेट करोगे। किसी को, यूनिवर्स को फोर्स नहीं करना पड़ेगा आपको, आप खुद ही उस रास्ते पे चलोगे जो आपका सच है। ये दो चीजें मेन आ रही हैं, और जो आप अब से कुछ महीनों पहले बहुत सबकॉन्शियस रेजिस्टेंस आ रही थी, ओथ्स, वॉव्स, कर्सेस, गिल्ट वगैरह की, वो सब अब उतना नहीं आ रहा है। तो बेसिकली यही है, अपना सच जानिए, अपना सच को बोलिए, फालतू के झूठ मत बोलिए अपने आप से और किसी से। हायर कॉन्शियसनेस से कनेक्ट करिए। आपके लिए बहुत गाइडेंस अवेलेबल है, बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स आ रही हैं। चाहे बाहर कुछ भी हो रहा हो, कितने भी स्ट्रगल्स हों, अगर आप देखेंगी तो आपको गाइडेंस मिलेगी, आपको प्रोटेक्शन मिलेगी, आपको राह दिखेगी। लेकिन निकलना खुद ही है इसमें से। अगर काले बादल आ जाते हैं आसपास, तो आपको निकलना तो पड़ेगा। एयरप्लेन में जाते हैं, टर्बुलेंस होती है बादलों की वजह से, तो हम क्या बादल छटने का वेट करते हैं? नहीं ना, हम चलते हैं ना उसमें से, अपना बैलेंस और बना के। तो वो ही करना है, इस फेज से निकलना तो है ही, राइज करना है, और बहुत हेल्प अवेलेबल है। लेकिन वो रिसीव कहाँ होती है? आपके अंदर तो यहां से एंटर होती है। तो ये क्राउन क्लियर होना चाहिए, ठीक है? लव यू ऑल. Let me know how were the readings for you. See you somewhere, sometime across the world. Bye.